Okay, just getting yourself comfortable. Begin with your eyes closed. And just take a nice big deep breath in through the nose. Feel your body expand. And then blow slowly out through your mouth. Feeling your mind and body begin to relax. And then pause. And let's do another one. Breathing in through the nose. Feeling your body expand. And then exhale through your mouth like you're blowing through a straw, feeling your facial muscles, your jaw, and your neck and shoulders. Just let go a little bit more. And at the end of the breath, pause. And one more time, just breathing in through the nose. Feel your body expand. And again, as you slowly blow out through your mouth, continue to let go. Anything you're holding on to. And then pause. Just continuing to breathe in through the nose and out through the nose or mouth. I'd like you to follow the out breath and just begin to explore the pause. And just notice the peace, the silence, and the stillness that's available to you in that moment. And with your attention fully in the here and now, what happens to your stories about your past and your future? With your attention fully in the now, what happens to your suffering or any of the struggles that you've been facing recently? And with your attention fully in the here and now, can you get a sense that you have everything you need right this very second? The idea that you need something else will be based on a thought of your future. But right this very second, can you sense the abundance you have right now? With your attention fully in the here and now, can you sense that space, that peace, and how in front of you there are infinite timelines stretching off into infinite possibilities and futures waiting for you to explore? And on so many of those timelines, you are living your ideal life. And from this very moment, you can choose steps, thoughts, feelings, and actions to take you closer to your ideal future. Can you sense the excitement of what's available to you with focused, conscious intention to take yourself down one of those paths? Follow one of those paths and see yourself living your ideal life in your future as one of those infinite possibilities available to you right now. See how you look, what you're doing, where are you? Who are you with? And bring forward a sense of gratitude for having the mindset that's creating this opportunity for you to follow right now. Now step into your future self and look through your eyes at where you are, who you're with, and what you're doing. Feel the adventure. Feel the excitement. Feel the joy. Feel the gratitude for being an intentional, conscious, manifesting powerhouse. Claim this future as yours. I claim this life as mine. I claim this life as mine. I claim this life as mine. And then when you're ready, come back to the present moment, feeling your body in the here and now. And just see if you can get a sense of what steps you're going to take along one of your infinite timelines of possibility to make this future happen. Now give yourself a wonderful, big inner smile and come back to your surroundings. How powerful was that? I'm going to be talking next week about the importance of embodying your future self right now. And the meditations this week, I want you to practice. I want you to repeat them to begin to create that future self, to get an idea of where you could be, to begin to dig deep within your subconscious and superconscious mind, to begin to bring to the surface the inspiration and the insights that can help you find a new path and direction for yourself. Not the path anyone else wants to take, but the true path for you to take and for you to begin to embrace your new identity as your future self right now. You are a manifesting powerhouse. Think about the life you've created around you right now. That's with an untrained mind. Think about what you'll be capable of with more intentional focus.